Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can use Midjourney AI. So Midjourney is used to create photo using text, and this app is only available in Discord, which means you can control it through Discord. So if you want to create an account or use your Midjourney, then you need to have Discord. So let's say you already have a Midjourney account, and in that case what you need to do is open your Discord and make sure you're logged in into that Discord account where your Midjourney is linked, and go to the Midjourney server and start using it. But if you don't have a Midjourney account and you want to create a new one, just open your Discord account, and on your Discord it's going to look just like this. Click on the plus button, and then you need to click on this option called join a server, and over here you just want to write Midjourney just like this and click on join server. Once you do that, Midjourney server will appear and you will be able to join just like this. Now, once you join Midjourney server, what you need to do is you need to pay for Midjourney. So Midjourney is not available for free. In the past, it was available for free. Now it's not. So to get Midjourney Premium or to subscribe to Midjourney, it's pretty simple. Just go on any one of these newbies tab and just write over here slash. Once you write slash, you will see the option called subscribe. If you don't see it, you can type it over here. But since I see it, I will click on it and press enter. Once you press enter, it is going to show you something like this, and Midjourney is going to show you a private message. Click on it, and from over here you need to click on manage account. It's going to give you a personal link, so click on visit site. Now once you follow this link, it is going to take you to a place where you guys can use it to subscribe to Midjourney. So it's taking us to the subscription page. Let's wait for some time. Over here what you can do is choose whichever plan you want and just click on subscribe, and you need to pay according to the plan you choose. Once you pay for the plan, you will get Midjourney Premium, and whichever Discord account you're currently using, that is going to be your Midjourney account, so keep that in mind. Now if you want to create image in Midjourney, it's pretty simple. You can go to the Midjourney server. From inside the Midjourney server, go into the newbies tab. You can go into any newbies tab, and over here you want to write this command called /imagine. Once you write this, what you can do is describe the type of photo you want. So let's say I want a football. I can just write football and press enter, and the photo will be generated. But since I don't have Midjourney Premium, it's not going to generate anything. So you need to keep that in mind. You need to have Midjourney Premium. Now if you want to change your version of Midjourney, it's pretty simple. You can click on the / again and click on setting. Once you click on setting, enter it. Once the command is sent, it's going to show you all of this option over here. Now from over here, you can choose whichever option you like. So I'm in default mode over here. So if I want to change the version, I can click on it and change it to whichever version I want. Version 1, version 2, version 3, whichever version you like, you can choose and it'll change into that. Now if you want to unsubscribe from your Midjourney account, it's pretty same as well. This time just write / subscribe, and once you press enter, it is again going to give you a personal link. Once you get the personal link, just click on manage account and go to the page, and it's going to take you to the same subscription page. Now this time, since you want to unsubscribe, it is going to show you the subscription which you have. So in my case, I don't have any subscription, but let's say for an example, I have bought the $8 plan. In that case, instead of subscribe, it is going to show me unsubscribe. I just need to click on the unsubscribe button, and I will be unsubscribed from my Midjourney's subscription. So that's how you guys can unsubscribe. Now if you want to delete your Midjourney account, it's pretty simple. You can just right click on the Midjourney Discord server and click on leave server, and your Midjourney account will be deleted. Now if you want to access it again, you need to join the server again. Now if you want to completely delete all of the history you had of Midjourney, for that case just click on manage account, click on visit site. Now once you're in the subscription page, scroll all the way down and click on how can I delete my account and click here. Once you do that, click on review account deletion, and your account deletion process will start. Now it'll take up to 30 days to delete your account, so you need to keep that in mind. So that's how we guys can delete your Midjourney account as well. So that is basically all the information you need to know if you want to start using Midjourney AI. I hope you understand I was able to help you guys. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye and have a nice day.